Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest and quickest way to add gradient effects to your text right inside Canva. Just a quick heads up before we get started, this specific method does require a Canva paid plan. It's not available for free users. Okay, let's jump in. First thing, open up your existing Canva project or start a fresh design. Now, over on the left side, menu options. Click on the one labeled app. Once you're there, type gradient into the search box, and then select the app from the results that pop up. That will open type gradient directly within your Canva workspace. Now, type in the exact text you want to use for your design in the main text area. You'll see you can pick different fonts. You also have option to upload your own font, but I'll go with Poppins Black. You can align it and set line height too. You've got options for the gradient types themselves. You can choose from several pre-made gradients like radial or cone, or if you want something specific, you can also play around with the direction of the gradient to get it looking just right. Click on the color options to pick and add your own custom colors for the gradient. Once you're happy with how your gradient text looks, just hit that button that says Add to Design. Your new text element, now as an image with the gradient, will pop right onto your canvas. From here, you can treat it like any other graphic, resize it, drag it wherever you want in your design, or layer it over other elements. And that's really all there is to it. Using the Type Gradient app in Canva lets you create these bold, colorful gradient text pieces in literally just a few minutes, even if you're totally new to this. It saves you a bunch of time and gives your designs a really modern, fresh look. Hope this was useful for you. If you found the video helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Drop a comment saying like too, so I know it helped and I can thank you personally. Thanks for watching. Take care.